my name is Trisha. I'm going to show you this number game, and we can use 3 balls. So, a clay ball. How you make the clay ball? Just any color, kind of clay. Just have to roll it in the ball. Then put some glue. Just have to make 4 holes. And then put some glue and then put sparkles and then that's ready. Now we have 3 kinds of ball. This I used on the first video. So that we can put it away. And we have 2 more. A rubber ball and a marble. The marble is really fast, so we're going to put it away. Just 2 videos. Now the rubber ball is very good. You can get that. So once it's a number game, so whatever number, it's 1 to 10. It's close, so it's 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is very far, so we have to go here, here. So this is 3, 4, longer, 5, longer, 6, 7, 8, 9, longer, 10, longer. So, in between no number, so it's not very long. This is the perfect ball, so we can use it. See? In my hand it works. It does not fall. If you get very a lot fun, you can play. So you can put it by 1, like that. You have to try going without your hands, but should not go on the other number. This rubber ball helps you a lot. So how it's tied, we just have rubber around and 1 golden marble. Now we're trying to go to 2. There. 3. Oops. 4. How 6 and 9? Now 6 is facing the other way, and 9 is facing the other way. The difference is they're facing the opposite side. Now 4, 5. Oops, oops. Let's there. Now, which direction we should go? This is the rubber ball, so we do that. Oops. Ooh. 6, 7, 8 comes same. Oops. Yay! 7, 8. Oops. No. The rubber ball is easy. You see how I'm doing it? 9. Oops. Oops. So how it's going? It's very fun. I don't see how you do it. So we can complete this. Yay! I did 1 to 10. I don't see how you